What's going on, guys? We are at Sean's house, and y'all know who Sean is. That dude. He's got that car, and y'all have all seen this car on both mine and Gavin's channel. We're gonna do some work on it. What do we have doing to it today?
We gotta put the drive line back underneath it.
Drive line back underneath it?
For the 100th time.
For the 100th time, yeah. I feel like you're always under here putting more junk under it. It's on jack stands, having some conversations about LS's. Yeah, this is a beautiful car. He's planning on going pretty fast here.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get into the 7s in 2020. Just
Good fun, dude.
Guys with a turbo Corvette.
Hey, you might have a turbo Corvette, I'll have a turbo Mustang. All right, so pretty much everything down here, he just put solid diff mounts in. Let's take a look at the old torque tube. So this is his old torque tube right here. If you can tell, that looks kind of good on that side, and then from here you could see something's not right there.
Introducing the mascot dog.
The mascot dog. Hi, buddy. Yeah, he is.
Hey, if my Corvette goes as fast as my dog in 2020, it'll be good.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start working on this Corvette, get it back together. The headers are taken off, drive lines out. Gonna go ahead, put the clutch in, stab it all, get it back up and going, and by the end of this, hopefully be able to drive the car back. See how it goes.
Hey, I might need your help under here.
Okay, other side?
Yeah. I might need to just, push that thing all the way back away.
Let me get two hands on it.
All right.
All right, go ahead.
It looks pretty good over here. Back that off of it.
Oh.
That's that. See that little green thing right there?
Yep.
That's the Monster Clutches billet slave support. So they actually have a plastic supported from the factory.
Oh,
And
so it's billet.
Yeah, it's like a little billet because those plastic supports, whenever they get hot, they start to fail. Monster sent me one of those, so I wouldn't have to worry about that
Yeah.
in business.
All right, sweet.
Ah, cool.
Let's go ahead and stab it. Yeah, I got a really good handle back here. I can move it wherever you need to. All right, you want me to lift up on this side? Got another foot.
Okay.
I'm gonna go down a little teeny bit on this back. You can see those pins right there lined up. That's how we know we're good. See what them Viking shocks. We got the whole cradle in, all the A-arms attached and everything. Sean's just making sure the diff bracket is connected and everything. I'm going to go ahead and start on the headers, bleed the brakes, and this thing will be rolling and we'll be making some passes. All right, now I gotta find the oil dipstick hole. Let me make sure I got nothing else that the guys are doing, because the only thing is someone said something about filming a promo and I don't know if I'm in it or not. If I am, then I'll have to probably do that. If not, I'm down to go to the races. Are your plug wires marked?
Yeah.
So most of this thing's put back together. The other side, got all of the header stuff tight, oil dipstick, all that stuff. The exhaust is wrapped back around, so he's getting boost now. That tire's on, everything under here is buttoned up. We have to bleed the brakes now, and then...
Bleed your clutch and then roll, set it down on the ground.
Yeah, brakes, clutch,
Hey.
go fast.
Make sure you go to your local parts house, get you some of this grade A purified.
Purified drinking brake fluid. Don't drink brake fluid, people of the internet. The reason I say that is because I have to say that. No, you actually have to tell people not to, because there's people out here that would. Oh, you have a vacuum bleeder too?
Yes, sir. That's about the easy. All right, you want to get in and pump
Press the brakes. Yeah. This thing's so wild with that giant intake. That built up pressure quick. Down.
Ready?
Yep.
Feel pretty good?
Yeah, it feels really solid. I mean, I don't know what it normally feels like, so I'll let you feel it, but it feels good for brakes.
We don't want to have no brake trouble.
There's a lot of pressure on the brake pedal, so you check that, make sure it's normal.
We only bleed the other brake.
Yeah, it's worth it. Don't want to have problems stopping, especially when you're going fast. It's also race car stuff. If you're not sure about something and it has to do with safety, probably double check it. All right. Yeah, it feels stiff.
Good.
Yeah, it feels a lot better.
Yeah, have a little bit of air down the side.
Now we gotta do the clutch.
Yeah, put these wheels on real quick just to have them on.
All right.
Be done with that part.
And there was air on that side, so it's a good thing we went ahead and double checked. It's weird getting out of a Corvette and stepping down.
Right? Normally your ass was like...
Yeah, normally you have to like try and stand yourself up. Just got the boost controller back in, all this stuff back in. Now let's just twist that daggum shift knob on there. I think that'll be it, huh?
Yeah, that'll be it. We can start her up.
Freaking dope. Man, it's so cold out here. My camera doesn't even know what to do. Dope. Go ahead and start her up. What should you name this thing?
No, man. His name.
Okay, my car's named Yeet.
His name what?
It's named Yeet.
Yeet?
Yeah, Yeet. Know how everyone just Yeet?
Yeet.
Yeah, that's my car. That's his name. Internet, find out a name for this car. It's a silver Corvette that's going to go fast. And if you can't tell, it already does go fast. But like, when I say going to go fast, I mean, it's gonna be competing out there with the big guys here in 2020. So, ready to see what it does.
All right, y'all ready?
Yeah, let's freaking do it, man. Oh shit. Everything's solid on this car. Yep. Alright, so the car is running. It's in its natural condition. Skirt! I knew you were gonna open. And she's on the floor. There you go, back to the pool. See, this is what happens when you have race cars. You need to put race car fuel in your car.
I wish we had the E85 station closer.
Yeah.
We have to go about an hour or so out of town. I'll take 55-gallon drums whenever we go.
Yeah, we load them in the truck, even Gavin's stuff too, when we go to El Dorado to get E85, because that's the only place with actual E85. We have places near us like Shreveport that's, they say they're E85, but it's mostly like E60, E70, stuff like that. Well, you want the high ethanol, and if you're tuned for 85 plus, then you want 85 plus ethanol. So, all right, maiden voyage time. Oh, these solid motor mounts are wild. Everything's solid in this car. Diff, motor.
You can feel it, huh?
Yeah, you can feel everything. I've never like felt complete solid everything before. This is dope. Pull up to the gas station. These guys are freaking taking pictures. Let's go ahead and make some pulls. I'm ready for it. That's so smooth. This is the most linear car I've ever been in.
Put it on like up to 17 pounds.
Okay, so that was how many pounds you said?
Like 10.
Like 10, we're gonna go 17.
Yeah.
That's a big change. Ready? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, we're just blow the tires off. 70?
We'll try a different gear.
Let's go. Doesn't do anything but put the biggest smile on my face.
Holy shit.
Oh my lord.
Maybe even one. Let's go to one. Alright, that's third gear setting, so it'll be like 23, 24 pounds. Ready?
Yeah. Stuck at a solid pound of boost.
Oh, I know what it was.
What?
Did you hear that? And blew a vacuum line off that.
Did you really?
I'm sure.
So we might have lost a vacuum line.
The headers should be glowing, probably. Are they?
No, they're not. This side is?
Yeah, it's still iron, so it keeps.
Oh, that's the headers. Son.
Yep, it did come off right here.
Yep, right there. Right there. That little line flew off is what it was.
Too much boost, it blew it off. Gotta get ourselves a HD clamp.
That might be from What, you think spinning the tires at 160?
Yeah, probably. It probably boost spike real fast, like 30 something pounds or something.
Just blew it off. Oh my gosh. Okay, so he has the boost controller and he's setting it up right now, and that's a discrete tune.
It's a discrete tune. That's what we use to get down to discrete.
We get down to discrete with that one, and you're gonna set it up right there.
Yeah, set it up right here.
Juice. If you don't know what this is just juice that gets the tire sticky. Second pulled like a monkey.
Yeah. Let's see how the ramp rate's ramping into.
Yeah, it's
like
very smooth.
Alright, so at the track I can turn that up.
Oh, because it'll hold it.
Because it'll be a prep track.